Everyone, we have completed up to the worksheet 6 and now we will begin the worksheet 7. Let's see what is there in the worksheet 7. This is a letter. Okay, and before I begin, I would tell you this letter is an informal piece of writing, informal letter, and you can take it as sample also. The sample of letter. Just you have to do one thing. You have to write at this place date and place. Date and place has to be mentioned while you are writing letter. Let's see what is there in this. What we have to do, we have to fill up the appropriate a and the articles. Okay. I wish कि ये एक में आ जाता, but it is not possible. I have to bifurcate it. चलो, never mind. Hi, I have, dear Saloni, the question is complete the following letter by writing correct articles in the blanks. Dear Saloni, hi, I have just come back from an E is vowel sounding word, so an exciting vacation in Belgaum, the city, because we are talking about this city. The city has changed a lot, lot in the recent past, because we are talking about particular time. There are a lot of new buildings in the center of the city. Okay, particular place and particular city. I don't like the new buildings, particular, specific. Still, I feel fascinated. I have been to Belgaum before also, and I visited the places I know. Because this particular places that is already visited by the writer of this letter. Even these have changed. There is change, everyone. An old, o is a vowel sounding word, so an old fort in the particular direction in the south of the city has been restored. There are now what? A lot of fast food joints near the central market. However, despite all modernization, Belgaum's natural beauty is still intact. There are lots of forests and parks. You can escape from the city. And feel you are in the countryside. And what's best is in the evening. हमेशा कहते हैं ना, in the morning, in the evening. The evening, there is so much to do. You would love being there. Come with me next year. Lots of love, Vani. This is all.